Hello everyone, let's walk through the expense management module in IVPHUB from the point of view of a reporting manager. Once you log in, you will land on the IVPHUB homepage. The expense management module empowers RMs to approve or reject employee expense claims in a structured, efficient, and trackable way, eliminating the need for manual paperwork and ensuring timely reimbursements and policy compliance. RMs can access the following submodules under expense management: expense list and expense request. Under expense list, RMs can add and manage their personal expenses in the same manner as employees. Bills can be uploaded, saved as drafts, and submitted when ready. All submitted records are visible in the tabular format for easy tracking. Expense request is the core submodule where RMs review and act on expense submissions made by their team members. To manage expense request, click on Expense Request. A new window opens displaying a tabular list of submitted expense requests. Each row contains employee name, expense category, expense as per, expense month year, expense amount, RM approved amount, finance approved amount, start date, end date, status, and action. Status indicates that submitted for approval means employee has successfully submitted their expense claim. The claim is now awaiting action from the reporting manager. At this stage, it is the RM's responsibility to review, approve, or reject the request based on the supporting documents and company policy. To review a request, click on View Details in the Action column to inspect a request. A detailed view opens showing expense type, expense city, expense date, expense amount, reporting manager approved amount, finance approved amount, the multiple columns. RM can also view the attached bills, reporting manager status, finance status, and action column. To approve or reject a request, click Action on the respective row. A pop-up window appears. Enter the amount you want to approve. You may modify if needed. Select the request option as either approve or reject. Add any remarks for context. Click on Submit. Post submission. If approved, the request status updates to approval pending from finance and proceeds to the finance team for final action. If rejected, the status changes to rejected and the request does not move forward to finance. Export expenses. This feature allows RMs to export records for internal use or audit purposes. Click the Export Expenses button in the submodule. A downloadable file is generated instantly. This file can be used for tracking approvals, sharing with finance or audit teams, maintaining RM-specific records. Smart filters for quick access. To help you manage large volumes of expense data, IVPHUB provides smart filters. You can filter expense request by employee name, expense category, expense as per, month, year, start date, end date, and status. These filters are especially helpful for reviewing historical claims, following up on pending approvals, checking for policy adherence, auditing employee spending trends. Thank you.